Yeah, look at that.
But look how bad they are. I mean, they're just completely rotten. So I used a wire wheel and this one just to kind of see what was gonna happen, and as expected, it just fell apart, broke into pieces. So I ordered some new ones. Well, not new ones, some used ones from Midwest Willys, and just received those, and they're in good shape, except this one's got some this stuff's not bad, but this one had some rust on it on the inside right here. The rest of it's good. You see how nice it's just this one section. And so I thought, well, I'll just use a little wire wheel and brush that off and see what we got. And as soon as I did it, it knocked a hole through it. So it must have been really thin. I mean, it's not a brand new part. It's just as old as the original. But I don't want to weld anything in here because this stuff's super thin. I'm going to cut this out. And I'm going to glue it basically behind here and then fill this in.
Stick so tiny. Why is it so tiny? Okay. That is not mixing when the shrimp's gray.
I'll tell you what's up. Okay.
This is how we check the tooth height. Looks like a zebra, does it? Paint. Daddy, look, I'm using it as paint. I'm ruining it. Daddy, look.
We'll let that dry.
I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna take this out. Where can I put this?
In the trash.
Okay.
It's okay. And then I'll sand it again. And we'll be good to go. Okay, so that piece of metal on the back is in there. There's a little bit of a hole still. You can feel it sinks in right there. So I'm going to fill that in with some more. This went a little crazy and I painted the hinges, but I didn't want the hinges. I didn't want the hinges painted. I want them to be shiny silver.
I'm gonna look at Bingo. Look at Bingo's little butt. Bingo's little
Here,
butt.
step back a little bit. I don't want you to get. I don't want to flip any of this onto your skin. It's not good for you.
Well, we're looking at Bingo's butt and your thing.
Now stay.
Isn't it? It's just our neighbor's dog, I think.
Stay, Bingo. That stuff worked fast. Of course, this is just a single coat of primer. Stay. Good boy. Good boy.
They also think Bingo's cute, too.
You can push stop.
Tumbleweed Garage.